while you and me.
What's up, everyone? I just got home from work, gym, and tanning. Basically, I went to work and the ladies thought that I should film me making my first turkey. So, yesterday, Jonathan and I went to Stop and Shop and I wanted to do a fresh turkey, but because it is still 3 weeks before, and I look so dirty, because it is still 3 weeks before Thanksgiving, there was only frozen available and the smallest was 16 pounds. I'm having 6 people over, so a 16-pound turkey for 6 people is kind of a lot, but whatever. So I basically left it in my garage all night. My husband thinks it's thawed. I do not. I can still feel that it's like a hunk of ice in the center. So we are gonna go to Target to buy a really big pan, bin, whatever you wanna call it, for it to soak in. I haven't touched it yet. I'm kind of a weirdo about touching meat. So this is gonna be pretty monumental for you guys to watch. I just started cooking this year, whatever. So I'm making turkey and we're gonna go to Target right now to buy the bin, to soak it in. I plan on soaking it with 2 or 3 lemons, some salt, an onion if we have one. I don't know if I bought one at the grocery store last night, and just letting it soak until I get home from my event tomorrow night. But I will show you guys rinsing the turkey, soaking it, and everything that I put in it.
Silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
What's up, everyone? I just got home from work. It's 2:40 on Friday and I just took the turkey out of the brine and I'm going to pat it dry and season it with a dry rub and stuff some butter in it and put stuff on the inside of it. I don't think it just smells gross, like wet, dead bird. Imagine what that smells like. That's what it smells like. So as I was taking it out of the brine, I saw something like sticking out of the neck area. I didn't think to check the neck for stuff. And can you see it? This bag, I don't know what's in that bag, but that I just pulled out of the neck. This is so gross. This is so gross. So I'm gonna pat this baby dry. It's sitting on the rack that it's gonna be going in for the turkey pan. And I'm just gonna kind of like wing what I'm going to be putting on the turkey. All of our Halloween candy that no one came for. So I'm gonna do some garlic. I'm gonna do it Portuguese style and add in some crushed red pepper. Not a lot though, because these are super hot. Guess I can get my watch out of the way. I'll do a little salt and pepper, obviously. I don't think I'm gonna need the paprika because I have this, and this will give it a good color. And then, so I don't know if I really need parsley either, but I'm basically gonna mix up all of this stuff. I'm gonna stuff an onion in the turkey's butt. I think that's pretty much it. And then I'm just gonna put this pan in the refrigerator and let it marinate until tomorrow when it goes in the oven. This is the most disgusting thing I've ever done. Even Callie knows. Isn't it gross? It's so gross. So, ugh, so nasty. So there is a giant cavity like down in there that I just had to shove paper towels because the inside and the outside has to be dry. So you can't see the butt right now, but this is the neck of the turkey. I have paper towels in both holes. I didn't realize you had to check both holes when making a turkey. So disgusting, honestly. So I have those inside, soaking it up, and then I just dried the outside. I'm gonna let those like chill for a second inside, and then I went and honestly just really winged, get it? Winged this marinade. There's a lot of garlic in here, the crushed red pepper, some salt and pepper, So I'm definitely gonna need more for the inside and the outside of the turkey. But for right now, this is where I'm
at. With crimson secrets and forbidden.
Okay, everyone, the oven is heated to 350 degrees. I just stuffed the butter under the first layer of skin. This has been marinating, I mean, not for 24 hours, but since I got home from work yesterday, actually almost 24 hours. I added white wine and water underneath so that when it's cooking, it doesn't get dry. And this is basically how it looks right now. You can see inside has all of the marinade and then the onion that I put in there. So this bad boy is going to cook for about 3.5 to 4 hours covered up. So I'm going to cover him up right now and throw him in the oven. Okay, he's all wrapped up and in the oven. And in an hour and a half, I will baste. Callie, what are you doing? Cal, over here. Other side. Over here. Hi.